Dear 8th class student, in this video you are going to learn about balancing of chemical equation. I am sure you will remember in the previous video, if I move left side, you have learned under the heading chemical equation, the left hand side, iron reacts with sulfur and forms iron sulfide. Like that, you are going to write in this video the simplest example of balancing. I am sure you will also remember these 4 rules we mentioned in the previous video. Rules for writing chemical equation. Keeping all these rules and iron and sulfur reaction, in this video you are going to learn balancing of chemical equation. You write down as you got your notebook, balancing of chemical equation. The process of making the number of atoms on each element on both sides. Both side means RHS and LHS, or LHS or RHS. In any form you can write it. Okay. Then like iron and sulfur reacted and it gives rise iron sulfide. Okay. That is based on chemical change. So chemical equation is based on chemical change, no doubt about it. After learning that example, now we are going to learn another example with reference to simplest form of hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form water. Yes, in the same manner you are going to write LHS, that is reactant. Hydrogen plus oxygen gives rise water. Then note down the step 1 because writing the symbol. Okay. Then step 2, it shows it is not balanced because you see hydrogen and oxygens are in the molecular form. Try to understand it is molecular form. So it is not balanced. Then you go for the step 3, use always pause command and note it down. You write down number of oxygen are balanced but number of hydrogen atoms are not balanced. See, count on each side of the atoms, both LHS and RHS. You will definitely find it. It's not a complex thing. You know it, you have learned it, but now you are going to apply it. Okay, and that is why you are going to multiply by 2 the other side of hydrogen. Okay, these things you keep. After learning this one, I will turn to the next one. You have to learn the complex one. The complex one also based on the same example. Here it is. You give next heading explanation. Here explanation means the importance or the significance of balanced chemical equation. So a balanced chemical equation provides all the details. The details are, it gives reactant and product. Reactant comes on the left hand side and the product comes right hand side. Okay. Anyhow, it is going to come again, no problem. Then it helps us to know the amount of particular reactant and particular product. Then the balanced chemical equation makes the study complete. It gives a perfect things. And that is why you are using and repeating the same example. 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. So what you are going to conclude in this equation? Thus, this chemical equation shows that hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form water. Hydrogen molecules, which means two hydrogen molecules and one oxygen molecule, combine to produce two molecules of water. Slightly here the words are coined. Then the real application, now you are going to write in terms of atomic mass unit. Here you are going to apply it. So you don't say it is a difficult. No, it is not at all difficult. Repeat the two sentence just now you have noted down and add this third point. The mass of one hydrogen atom is 1 AMU. Okay, so there are 4 hydrogen. So 4 into 1, 4 Mu. Then the mass of one oxygen atom is 16. That you can see in the periodic table, because earlier we have mentioned to you oxygen is the 8th element. So its atomic mass is 16. So 2 into 16, it becomes 32 AMU. So total is, this is the thing you have to write. 4 Mu of hydrogen reacts with 32 AMU of oxygen to produce 36 AMU. AMU means atomic mass unit of water. If you remember the statement, it's easy to follow and write this explanation. Use pause command and note it down. This example and this bullet points. 4 are there. You will keep it in the mind and you will remember. You note down. Here we have applied atomic mass unit, and that is why you are going to learn the complex things. It may appear complex, but you simplify the sentence and go stepwise. You will learn. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.